My name is Khaled Al Jamal. I'm the general manager of this beautiful JW Marriott Ankara. The JW Marriott brand is our luxury brand. It's the highest brand that carries the Marriott name. With the JW being in the luxury tier, we position ourselves as an approachable luxury, where you feel from the moment you enter any hotel, the luxury, yet it's not over formal, or it's not basically overstated formalities. The JW Marriott Ankara is also on this strategy. It's been built from day one as a luxury hotel. It's the highest right now in Ankara. It's the most luxurious hotel. Of course, with Ankara being the capital of Turkey, we have a very high profile guest delegations that they are coming into the city. And the demand is to have such a product or such a hotel is really high, where we are receiving not only heads of states or also politicians, but as well as celebrities and very high profile businessmen. Technology, as we know, that it's becoming a necessity. Before, it used to be a kind of luxury to add it, but now it's something that the customer would expect especially from any hotel of this magnitude. We started, for example, when we started with the rooms layout, thinking what the customer wants to do in the room, thinking that the traveler today is moving with the iPad, iPhone, and so on, so they want to be connected to the world with more than one device. For this reason, for example, we have in every single room, we have an iPad, iPhone charger, connectivity panel to the TV with a flash desk, where also the customers can plug their laptop, or they can do a presentation or rehearsal, whatever they want to do in the room. And that gives them more freedom to move around in the room and not to be confined to the desk. And of course, being business hotel, we needed to accommodate the demand of the customer to have a very high speed internet that for more than one device connected at the same time. Also talking about technology, it's not only in the room, but also in our public space. Like, for example, in the lighting, we have the most sophisticated lights, which also works on the daylight, and also in some places on the motion sensors as well on corridors, being more environmental friendly, at the same time giving the luxury to the guest to have a sufficient lightings and so on. Well, that brings me, when we started in the pre-opening stage and we were looking at the interactive TV system and what we wanted to use, we wanted something different. We wanted to bring to the customer a different experience, not from the typical normal interactive TV system, what they can expect in a hotel. And then when we came across Otrum, what attracted us the most, it was basically the approach. So we started the partnership, and we were basically one of the first Marriott hotels or the JW Marriott to partner with Otrum on this regard. And we stated some of the concerns what we have, because in today's world, being with the profile of our customers, that they are all mainly business people and also delegations and so on, there are lots of flexibility is needed into the system. So we don't want the customer to spend time trying to figure out how to work out the interactive system. We wanted something simple, something easy, and Otrum made it even easier. One of the features, for example, which I like the most, is that when the customer checks in, based on their nationality, our system recognizes that this person, whether is English speaking or Italian and so on, the first channel in the TV comes based on the nationality of that guest. And that's one of the features where it makes it easier for the guests. They just open the TV and they see a program in their own language, and that can differentiate from one guest to another. And in typical interactive systems, this was not existing, and this is one of the things we like the most. And of course, as a hotel, that sometimes we need to broadcast a message to the guest to let them know about our facilities. We let them know that there is a spa in the hotel. we can do that discreetly in a small banner or a little bit of an advertisement to the products inside the hotel without having the customer being bothered with it. And that's also one of the things which we were very happy that we partnered with Otrum on this. And when we've seen that the product can have all these capabilities of doing so, that was again something to speed up our decision to move with Otrum. The digital signage, we use it definitely, of course, for all meeting rooms, and we have it on every meeting room at the entrance. It's very nice when you enter the lobby and then you see, for a national day, for example, a big flag of the country on that digital signage. You don't miss it, and then you see how beautiful it is. And for weddings, we use the wedding couple picture on the digital signage, and people, they walk in and they see the picture and they go, wow, this is different, this is nice. And also because it's we control it centrally, off-peak hours, we use it sometimes to advertise our hotel. We use it throughout in the elevators or around in the public space to put pictures of the hotels. Some of those that the customers might not see them immediately when they enter, like the spa, for example, or the swimming pool. So we can advertise as well on the digital signage our product. Why we chose Otrum? It was simple. Basically, as I mentioned, during the pre-opening, we were looking for a partner, not just a supplier. And Otrum, they were there for us, not only to present the product, but also to guide us through the features, what we can do with the system, as well as asking us, what do you expect from us? So they were able to, for us to adopt, and I know that they put lots of efforts and hard work into adopting the system in a way that we wanted it to work for our hotel and for our property.